My name is Melda Odera from Kenya. I joined PPH Tribe last year around August, and it's been 1 year, and I thank God. My testimony is I used the mantle to pray for my daughter who was like 2 weeks ago. She was not feeling well. She was coughing. Then that day you prayed for our mantle that anyone who is coughing, we pray, we speak a healing upon on them, Abba Father. And I did that. At night when she went to sleep, I took my mantle and I put it on her neck since she was complaining of sore throat. And she didn't cough the whole night. I thank God she went to school that day and the teachers told me she was okay. Thank you so much, Pastor Sam. God bless you.